And hobby-wise, I kind of destroyed 2023. What is up, everybody? First toast of the new year. New year, same toast. Welcome back. Just wanted to do a quick recap of the goal season as it is in January. And see how we did last year and see what's going on in the new year to come. So first, let's just machine gun through all of the goals that I set out originally and accomplished 2023. First up, all the ones I made videos for. We got the AdMech Assassin Kit Bash cycle completed. Built my big knight, there's a video there. Repentia Kill Team, another video. Painted my Delat Gang, it's yet another video I made. Coming up with a paint formula for my Genestealer Cultists, that's yet another video. We also had a new video type with the emergence of Dave and Chuck the Freak, which I am excited to hopefully expand upon, even though that did not really pull numbers. I blame the thumbnail. But what about the things that didn't have videos associated with them? We did hit 1,000 subs in the closing months of the year, so thank you to each and every one of you who decided to stick around and watch my stuff. I truly, truly appreciate it. We also opened up the Toast Hammer Discord. Is that a community event? I'm going to count it as one. But hey, if you're not a part of it, links in the description below. Come hang out. Now, the other things that I didn't specifically make videos for were finishing and painting my AdMech. There is no gray in the AdMech section of my case over there. It's a little bit hard to see, but I assure you that is complete. There will be an AdMech Army showcase / tour / thing coming up soon. I did also build up 1,000 points of Genestealer Cultists. And you may be saying, hey, Toasty, half of these points are represented by characters. And I would say, hey, shut up. I did it, okay? It's vague wording, it's a loophole, but it's still accomplished. In fact, the only goal that I didn't actually complete was building a Deathwatch kill team because I didn't have the models for it. This gets into a little bit of why my content looked the way it did in the past year. You may have noticed that at the beginning of the year there were still plenty of kit bashes to be had, but I gradually shifted over into more painting projects and things of that nature. And while that is just the natural progression of modeling and then painting and then playing games, I also had a bet with a few friends of mine. A bet in which we were betting to see who could hold out the longest without buying any new miniatures. No more plastic for any of us. I held out the whole year and came out with a sweet $100 to show for it. But that means that I was unable to procure new things to build more kit bashes with. But the bet's over now, so you know what that means. There were supposed to be a lot more boxes in that bit, but my order got delayed, so I just have one right now. But there's more coming, so just pretend that was a funny bit, and we can move on. But yes. What are my goals for the coming year now that I am not shackled by these constraints of getting through my pile of shame, which it was very effective in doing. If you have a plastic crack problem, consider betting with your friends to not buy stuff. It was surprisingly very effective, although torturous for me as someone who is trying to come up with fresh content and missed essentially an entire year's of new releases. But yes, 2024, it's a new year. We're looking ahead, we're looking forward, and I want to keep things simple. I had 11 goals last year and I accomplished 10 of them. I'm really happy about that. A+, gold star, valedictorian, if you will, of goal achieving in 2023. But want to keep things a little bit more loosey-goosey this year because I have no idea what's happening and I don't have that many currently planned projects, but I'll say one thing. I want to do more kit bashes, because that's the thing I like doing the most, and it seems to be the thing that you guys like watching the most. So I'm happy to continue doing that. I got 2 more major AdMech characters planned, Archmagi level characters that I want to make models for. Got some loose plans for builds there. I have several other AdMech units that I want to convert and showcase how those conversions can work to maybe save you a little bit of money and get something a little bit more unique looking as well. I also have my Orlocks from the Ash Waste box I bought in 2022. And I want to make that into something for my Gene Stealer cultist, but more on that as, you know, it goes. And of course, there's so many other things that I don't even know exist yet because it's January. And there's so much time for more stuff to happen and more models to be released and more cool ideas to inspire me in the future. So yes, more kit bashes. That is my first and primary goal for 2024. I also want to paint my big knight. I made him, but he's still not tabletop ready yet, and I want to get him there. And I want to see if I can do the best paint job I've ever done while tackling a model that big. So that's a pretty big painting project. It'll probably be taking the course of a couple of videos to get that over with, but I'm excited for it. I'm a little bit scared. I'm a lot of bit scared, but I'm still excited for it. I think it'll be a fun paint job, and I think I can hopefully do one of these big boys justice. But yeah, that's it. Paint some stuff, build some stuff, and maybe film a battle report. I haven't really tried doing that yet, and I think I want to try to do something in the Necromunda vein, doing sort of a narrative style battle report as previewed in the Dave and Chuck the Freak video. And I think I have a couple ideas that could make that interesting as well, so I hope you'll stick around for that. But hey, let me know your New Year's goals as well. I'm not a big fan of resolutions. They seem like a little bit kind of cliche at this point, but I'm a fan for setting reasonable goals for yourself. And I think what I'm setting for myself this year is very reasonable. I went aggressive last year, and I think because of the bet I made, I was able to accomplish it. However, I just want to just chill a little bit more and just have fun with the hobby. So what are your goals? Let me know in the comments below, or check out the new Oath of Moment channel over in our Discord so we can all keep each other honest with what we're trying to accomplish in the new year. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. It helps out the channel a ton. Hopefully I was able to give you a little bit of hobby inspiration for 2024. And if you want to see what I'm planning in the year to come, be sure to stay subscribed so you don't miss another video. And with that, after my massive break in hobbying during the holidays, I got a lot of work to do. Peace!